come this way. Here. Here, here. Careful, huh? Watch your boy. Go. Careful. This is Manila. We're buying some goods in here. Here. Come this way.
Here?
Yeah, here. In the center here. Here, here.
Here?
Yeah. Pogi daw. Go na. Careful. Say hi ni auntie. Can you face here?
Huh?
Say hi.
Why?
Where's the car of Papang?
I don't know.
Oy.
Too far away on the house.
Did you miss outside? So let's go to Millennium Supermarket. Let's buy some
Egg and
yeah.
fruit?
Only egg.
Oh, egg.
Yeah.
Standard egg.
Yeah, I buy a lot of fruits yesterday. Come here, come this way.
Here?
Yeah, here, here, here.
Here?
Yeah, this way.
Here?
Yeah. Okay, go here, 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 here. Let's go to the supermarket. Go. Come on. Come with Mama. Don't remove the mask, huh? Did you miss outside? Oh God. Go straight. Yeah. Come on. Come. You tired? Come here. You want me to bring this? So heavy? Okay, Mama will bring that for you. Wait.
Here.
Okay, come on. Don't run, huh? Ay, don't touch your face. Ay. Yeah, only in the supermarket. What is this? What's that? It's an ice cream shop. Careful. Careful, careful. Careful. What?